Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to use Pandabuy points to redeem items. First of all, open up the Pandabuy app. Once you get into the Pandabuy app, click on the account option from the bottom right corner. Once you get into your account, tap on Pandabuy points. You can see your points and its details from here. You can also find the product redeem option from here. Simply tap on it and enter the product redeem code, then tap to redeem it. After that, open up the cnfair.com website. You will find all Pandabuy points here. All you have to do is tap on all Pandabuy points from the top bar. Then choose the points you want to redeem. Tap on the below 3000 option. Now you will see the products that will be purchased in below 3000 points. You can tap on any of the following products and then click to copy its redeem code. Once you copy the redeem code from here, get back to your app and click on Product Redeem, then paste the redeem code in here to redeem the item. That's how you can use Pandabuy points to redeem items. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.